SHIB Army, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe down there below. Check out my link to Bybit if you're looking to trade crypto and also win a new iPhone. One in the next 50 people who sign up using my code get a new iPhone from Bybit. Now, Shiba Inu, Shibarium. Recently, NOWNODES has announced to provide support for Shibarium network. We're going to talk about why this is a big deal, why this support from NOWNODES is very meaningful. We're also going to dive into the current price points of the Shiba Inu ecosystem in this video, talk about where we're heading, and of course, Shibarium is said to be right around the corner. Very much looking forward to that as well. Let's dive in here because a lot to get to in this video. Shiba Inu, NOWNODES announces to provide support for the Shibarium network. So the leading blockchain infrastructure service provider, NOWNODES, announced on yesterday, that it'll provide support for the Shibarium L2 network. NOWNODES will become one of the first node providers for the upcoming Shiba Inu Shibarium solution. For the uninitiated, a blockchain node confirms the legality of each subsequent batch of network transactions, commonly known as blocks. The nodes generally track of the distributed ledger and serve as a communication hub for various tasks on the network. NOWNODES confirmed that their engineers are currently preparing for a Shibarium release and will provide dedicated access to the network. Here's their quote: "As Shibarium is coming sometime later this year, our engineers are preparing for Shibarium net release. NOWNODES will provide shared and dedicated access to SHIB, the Shibarium blockchain," the tweet said. Sign up and get updates first with NOWNODES. However, the service provider has not mentioned when the Shibarium public beta testnet could be launched. A SHIB influencer, good friend of mine, Yurpop Ahmed, recently revealed that the beta could be out by the end of the month. You can read more details about that development here. Of course, Shytoshi responded to that tweet. Yurpop put that information out there, and I also heard the same thing. I could tell you that, and many of us in the SHIB influencer space have also heard similar things, with Shibarium potentially launching very, very soon. Nevertheless, the lead developer of ShibaSwap, Shytoshi, has repeatedly said that Shibarium beta will be out soon. A tentative release date is not provided by the team. But I want to talk more about NOWNODES and why this is a big deal, because I think really, in my opinion, what's happening here with Shibarium is where we really are making that transition from meme coin, from just a meme coin and community token to really a utility token. And I think that's the big step that a lot of these OG community tokens take, right? The Dogecoins of the world, the Shiba Inus, those are the top dogs. A lot of these community tokens following in SHIB's footsteps will eventually have to take this next step to be legitimate, to be to have the ability to have that longevity, right? Because eventually, sure, you could build a community now and have them drive utility, but eventually you need utility to have staying power. And I think that's what really Shiba Inu is doing now. They're building out some strong utilities that basically showcase to everyone, hey, we are no longer just a community token that has a ton of following, ton of support. We're building out these utilities that are very unique. And I think you look at some of the other top community tokens out there, I think they too will be making this next transition to further legitimize what they're building. You know, the Sukas, the Volts, these type of communities out there, the Flokies, these type of communities, the baby Dogecoins. So there's a lot of these assets out there that are massive and have strong communities. But now the staying power only exists if you can create utility around this project. And SHIB has done that already. That's why they're, a top 15 crypto. Dogecoin has done that and are actively working through the Dogecoin Foundation to provide more utility, right? So that's where I think SHIB is in its kind of transition from just a meme, just a community token, to really becoming a legitimate asset that people understand that it has a deeper utility than just a strong community. And Shibarium and having this own L2 and the metaverse and NFTs and wellies and the future of the SHIB ecosystem here, the potential in e-commerce and the potential for SHIB as payment, all of these things, I think have propelled it to be, not just a meme, but something very, very unique here that's building. And Shibarium is the glue that's going to keep all that together. So the fact that NOWNODES is announced to providing support for Shibarium network just gives me more clarity and more faith that SHIB is becoming a legitimate top crypto. And now it's going to be having its own L2 with Shibarium coming very soon. So appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. Always like hearing your opinions. We'll talk in the next video.